Today I'm here with
Auntie Brogan and Lily.
No, her name's Lily. I'm here with Lily. She is my niece. She is gorgeous. She's cute. And what are we going to be doing?
Can you not speak?
Yes, but what else are we going to be doing? She doesn't even know yet. We are going to be making her an account. And it's the first time her having MSP, isn't it? And she's never played MSP in any contact, any way or form that she could play it. She has never played it. And we are going to just be autoing her. Maybe I'll even greet her when I get like a lot of diamonds if I next get VIP. Because I am VIP. Woohoo, I got it for a month now.
Moxie? What? Anthony.
Yeah, you just said hey.
Hey guys.
We're doing a YouTube video, so be quiet. Okay. So
What you want?
wait, Lily, be quiet now. Okay, so we are actually live behind the scenes, so you can go and see what is going. So you can go and see us doing a YouTube video behind the scenes.
Board.
Okay, so I haven't even pressed login, so we're gonna press that now. Megan! Hi, Megan.
Hi.
Megan's on.
Where's Saya?
She's at home.
Why she's not on?
Yes, Megan's on. Not Anthony. Anthony was my cousin, by the way. Is my cousin. Okay, so it's taken forever to load, but we're doing a YouTube video right now.
Cousin.
She isn't. She really isn't. We're going to be back once more because it's taking forever. Okay, so I'm on my...
I love you,
Ha ha ha. Oh, she said I love you, Megan. Okay, so I'm on.
She said to you.
This is my account.
She said to you, she's like you love.
Okay, right. Let's just play because Lily is getting caught up in our live on Instagram. Lily?
Don't know what you're saying. I can't put like this.
Okay, right, so we're on. And I don't know what it's doing.
Pump. I did. Again.
Okay, so we're back. Lily didn't end up pumping. So Lily, we have a certain amount of time, so we need to be careful.
Can you smell pump?
You didn't pump. Alright.
Mama.
So now we're gonna have to go onto this. Oh, you can't even see.
Megan.
But we're gonna shush. But we're gonna press the plus and we're gonna go on another. Lily, you're the one who's you're the main person in this video. I'm gonna be putting as the title, "My niece plays MSP." Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna be back once we're making her account. Okay, so we're back.
Andre.
Lily!
Andre.
My phone's on Detroit.
Andre.
Lily, you have to choose all these things in a minute. Come on. What do we? That's a bit hyperactive. So let's play now. And Lily, you need to choose a name. You need to choose your outfit. You need to choose a person. She might want to be a boy.
No, girl.
Okay, well, she wants to be a girl, but...
Because I'm a girl.
Do you want to make it look like you? Okay, this might be hard.
And she
Okay,
can...
right. Okay, Lily, we're on. Right.
And she can be pretty.
Yeah, okay.
And just put makeup on her.
Okay, right. This one or this one?
That girl one.
The girl one.
Box.
You'll have to watch my YouTube video.
Because I don't like
tomorrow,
my
so I
box.
still need to edit it, and yeah. Okay, right, well, right, so now, what colour skin do you want? Do you want like dark or light, or do you want it like that?
Dark.
How dark do you want it?
Long.
You want it like that dark? I don't know what dark you want, so we're going to go through all of them. Do you want that? No, let's give you a bit lighter.
No.
Yes, Lily.
Later.
Do you want that? This is nice. Are you ready?
Yeah. I put makeup on her.
Do you want that? Look at the skin. The skin. I don't think she was looking at the skin, that's why. Right, now let's go to
Oh,
face.
I've got baguette.
Have you? Come on. Come on. Right, so do you want the pointy nose? Like, right, just look at the nose. Just look at the girl's nose. Do you want that one? That one?
That one.
Or this one?
That one.
Which one?
That one.
Which one are these? Let's give you this one. Okay, this one's nice. Isn't it? Do I like that one? Okay, right, what's your mouth? Do you want it like, Lil, what mouth do you want? Do you want it like this? Look at me. Do you want it like, look, Lil. Do you want it like this? Look at me. Look at me. Do you want it like this? Or this one?
That one.
Which one pointed it? You can touch my screen. That one. Yeah, it's a good choice.
Cause it. What?
So we've got it to stay for a little bit. Right, but what I do want, look at her eyes. Look at this girl's eyes. Do you want these?
That much.
Them ones. Okay. Right, what colour do you want your eyes? Let me see your eyes, because you want them like you. They're like greeny brown.
Let me see your eyes. Yours is like them.
Let's just do your eyes blue, because when you was born, your eyes was blue.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, right, now you have to pick a hair, and you have to make a good choice from this. Yes, because it's going to be a starter. Right, what hair do you want?
That
Which one?
That
That one. Are you sure? Because it's all easier. Do you not want, like, I'll show you all the ears. Do you want this one? No? Do you want this one? What? No. Do you want this one? No. Do you want this one? Do you want this one? This one looks a little more like you, but you don't want to. Do you want this one? Yeah? Okay, so you can make colours of it. What colour do you want it? You have to go with what she wants. Okay, pink. Pink we go. Do you want it like pink to purple? Okay.
Ow.
Kiss like that. Look at the
Oh, let me put her go.
It's cute, look. Okay, right, what top do you want? Right, so look at the top. Do you want this one? 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 Wait. Do you want this one? Do you want this one that says Barbie on it?
Yeah. Baba.
Wait, let me just show you the rest. Right. Oh, do you want this one? And you can like change the colour and you can just like put it like any colour you want, like pink. Do you want this one? And we could just change the colour and it could be like...
Yes.
You want that? And what colour do you want it?
Black.
Black. That's actually a really good choice. Do you want it like that? It's cute, isn't it? Okay, right, now jeans. I mean pants. That's just because I normally choose jeans on this bit. Right, we have to hurry up. We have to really hurry up. We've only got 6 minutes left. We will be back. We will be back once she's like picked her outfit out and
I'll be back soon because I'm going
Okay, guys. So Lily's picked her name and your outfit.
I'm saying this now.
Kism. You need to do the outro with me. You need to do the outro with me. And I'm not uploaded, so I'll be uploading like 3 videos tonight, including this one. Lily, please! Okay, so finally got Lily to do the outro with me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big, thumbs up. And subscribe.
Subscribe my channel.
Notification bell on. Then you don't miss another video like this one. And I hope you enjoyed this video with Lily. And if you did enjoy this video with Lily, do you want me to do more videos with her? I don't know. Because she's very funny. But you have to comment down below. Always do. Listen, you have to be quiet. You have to comment down below. You need to do the outro with Brogan Lily. Otherwise, she will not do it with me. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up.
Subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs up.
Turn the notification bell on. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Kissy you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Mwah. Love you.
Love you.
Potatoes.
A big hug.
Big hugs.